Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you how you can use Google Classroom to find iLearn assignments and complete the assignments on Google Classroom and submit them there. And if you do that, it's going to be easier for you because you'll have your assignments instantaneously and it's easier to submit them. You don't have to come into the school, and to be honest, it's easier for us as well because we're not drowning in papers that we have to organize. But this is something that students can use if they forget how to use Google Classroom, but it's also for parents as well. You can use Google Classroom to keep up with your child's work, to help your child complete their work and submit it. And it's a really good tool, and it's good to know how to use it, but especially now. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is just just type in google.com on your web browser. And this first step really throws a lot of students off because they're used to logging in on their Chromebooks at school, and as soon as you log into those, you're automatically signed into Google. But that's not the case on your at-home computer. So you're going to want to go to google.com. Okay, and once you do that, it'll take you a page that looks like this, and you're going to want to sign in. So if you look at the top right, there's a sign in button, and you just click that, and your child is going to put in their school email and then their password, and they should know their password because we use Chromebooks a lot at school, so they should be pretty familiar with this. Of course, if for some reason they didn't, you could contact the school and we can help you out with that. Okay, it might take you to a separate page that looks like this, and you'll have to like re-enter the email address and password, and that's no big deal. Just re-enter that information and click sign in. Okay, once you do that, now it takes you back to the Google page except you're signed in. Okay, and what you're going to want to do to get to Google Classroom is click this icon at the top right. We call it the waffle. It's just those little squares that make a big square. So you click that, and once you do that, it'll open up this drop-down menu, and you see all the apps that you have access to, but the one that we care about today is Google Classroom. So you're going to click on Classroom, and it takes you to a page that shows you all of the classes that your child is signed into. Okay, now if there's a class that your child needs, but they're not signed into it for whatever reason, just contact your child's teacher, and we can get you the code that they'll enter, and then boom, they're in the class. Okay, so I'm just going to go into one of these classes and show you how to find assignments. So once you do that, it opens up a page that looks like this, and if you notice at the top, there's a few different options. The ones that we use a lot are Stream and Classwork. You can find everything that's posted on a classroom page in the Stream. It's basically like a Facebook wall, like a feed, except instead of cat memes and politics, it's assignments that we've posted from class. So you can find, like I said, everything that we post through the Stream. The Classwork sometimes is a little more organized depending on the classroom, but I would just use the Stream. It takes you right there, and you can find everything that we've posted in order of when we've posted it. Okay, so I'm just going to go into one of these assignments that was posted on this Stream. Okay, and you can find, again, all those assignments right there. Okay, but I'm going to go into one of those assignments. I chose iLearn Day 17, just a random assignment here, and a couple of things to look at. So depending on what the classroom is and what the teacher has posted, a lot of times you can just click over here at the top, or at the top right where it says your work. You can see that the teacher has posted something there. In this case, this is a Google Doc. If I were to click on this assignment, it would take me right into an online document that I could edit, and all my answers would save automatically, and then I could just go back and turn it in. But in some of the classrooms, you'll notice that what is posted is like a PDF or a Word document, or things that it won't let you do anything to. You won't be able to type anything on it. You won't be able to edit it. But you can still submit your work online if that's the case. Okay, so if that's the case, if they've posted something that you can't edit, what you'll want to do is just right underneath, you see where it says add or create. So you'll want to click that. Okay, and once you do that, it opens up another drop-down menu. And what you're going to do is click Docs, okay? And what Docs are, it's like Google's Word document, Okay, it's all online and it saves automatically. Okay, so that's pretty sweet. So I went ahead and clicked that, and once I did, you can see right here it created this new document. Right, it's got my name on it, and it's just this new blank document I created. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open a new tab. And here's what the document looks like. And I went ahead and typed in it a little bit. Okay, you can just type your answers right on this blank document. And again, it saves automatically, so that's pretty killer. All right, so once you do that, notice that it's in a separate tab up at the top. I'm going to go back to that first tab, that tab that I showed you a second ago. So when I go back, right, all my answers are saved automatically. I just go back, and then I can click, when I'm done, I'm ready to turn it in, I just click turn in. And it's as simple as that. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope that helped. If you've made it this far, it means that you really care about your child and you want to help them do well with these assignments. And I think being able to navigate Google Classroom will really allow you to do so. So again, thank you.